Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix the exception breakpoint has been reached error, then let's look at the solutions. The first solution would be is to run the SFC scan or the system file checker scan on the command prompt window. So right click, run as admin, yes, and we need to input these commands one by one into the command prompt panel. So this is the first command and you'll find these commands in the description of the video, all three commands. We'll copy the first command, paste it here and click enter. We'll do the same thing with the second command. Copy and okay, this will take time. So we paste and we should copy all three commands and complete the process. Let me move on to the next command, which is the check this command. So again, we go to command prompt, right click, run as admin, yes, and we need to input the command chk dsk space slash f space slash r and press enter. Then we press Y and we press enter, and that should resolve the issue. But if it doesn't, then the only option left is to use the memory diagnostic tool, and we do that by clicking the Windows button and R and inputting the command md sched and we click OK, and we now click on restart now and check for problems, and this error should be fixed. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.